Everyone, I have this awesome portable table here I want to show you. This whole thing weighs 26 pounds. It's very lightweight for a table this size and is heavy duty as it is. It also is really flat, as you can see, so it's very easily portable. We're going to set it up outdoors here and try it out. So a great thing is it comes with a tablecloth as well for picnic activities. And you can see how when you fold it up, it just clips into place and keeps everything secure. Setting this up is quick and easy. Pull it out, lock the bars in place there. We've got a center lock as well that keeps the table from folding in half. So this is all set up now. You can see how sturdy this is, so you can hold a lot of weight to it. It's also got a stain resistant surface, so if any kids or anything gets spilled on it, easily just wiped up and cleaned, and we are ready to use this.